final box, an unboxing. Let's have a look around. I love this. I'll post a picture of the display, which I snapped at snapped a picture of at where I purchased this. $11.90, doable price. One aspect of this, I have no idea who designed this. Neither was it mentioned, or if it is in Mandarin, I won't see it. CLARKE the hamster. Love it that because there's name, there's indication, at least there's English. I say at least only because then you search for it. You can search for it at retailers where you are to find out the figures. Because everything else here is in Mandarin, man. Yeah, everything is Mandarin. Wow. Got QR. This is the thing in China, and also gradually around the world as well. QR codes where you just need to flash and find info on. Yeah, it's all Mandarin. Okay, Future Affairs Administration. Wow. Lovely. One chase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to collect. I like this notion. It's not like a huge set, but maybe the collation wise, I don't know if you buy a whole box. Anyway, I shouldn't. No, I won't say I shouldn't. I'll continue to speculate because this is not a sponsored video. All of these are not sponsored items purchased by myself. What does it say here? Let me look at the camera. Wow, I can't read. My Chinese is going. It's a brand. Oh, can't read. Anyway. Chubby hamsters lah. Let's just leave it at that. Leave it at that. Wow, the box is a traditional kind, sealed. I cannot deny. Should I try to make it nice? Cannot lah. Oh. Yeah, that's why I hate the whole piece comes out. Not that I needed to have the box intact, but it would be nice because, as you can see, I have no display space. So I'm caught in a situation where I open blind boxes. I love stuff like this, but I can't necessarily display them. And if I don't, they end up being back in boxes. It's a downside of collecting for me. Yeah, I just bought it myself, but where the card shows off what the figure's inside, so there's no mystery. But it's okay. It's okay. It's a hamster gorging on a drumstick. It's hilarious lah. Oh come on, this is adorable. Hamster gorging on a drumstick. Space drawer. What's going on, man? CLARKE the hamster, then space drawers. Dude, I'm at loss. So you all Google it and find out where you can get it from your retailers. Oh, that's it. I'm treating the box with impunity because I'm not selling. But we'll see. Well, the translucent bag, it's serviceable, but understandably because the box is already sealed. So unless anybody wants to get entire boxes and they fill out the figure, and they sell sets still in sealed. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes more sense like that. That's what I'll do. So this is fine. This is fine if you're gonna, you can see the translucent aspect of the figure. It's hilarious. You see the hamster peeking through the thing in there. Oh my god, I'm charmed by the eye. Pardon me as the sound rips through the phone because I think it's cute. Oh gosh. It's flocked. I could feel it. When I saw it on display, it looked like this. It was flocked. But yes, it is flocked. So it's a flocked hamster series chewing on a drumstick. Of course, it's a partial drumstick, and the flock just ends at this end. I love the tooth. Pardon my nails. And this a little hand. Oh my gosh. Little leg. Okay, Space Drawers is the brand. Is it the brand? Yeah, probably the brand. Space Drawers is the brand. Cute little feet, cute little tail. Oh gosh. Wow. This has become really a sponsored. But it's not a sponsored unboxing. But the way I'm fawning over it is as if it's a sponsored video. Nah, even if it's a sponsored, I'll say what I feel about it. And what I feel about this as non-sponsored video is I am very tempted to, oh my gosh. So the brand, if you're watching this, you like what I'm doing and something I don't ask, feel free to send me the entire case or entire series, because I would love to open this and own this, because there's adorable with hamsters eating stuff, hamster eating the drumstick. Wow. Yes, please feel free to send me and I'll unbox them all, man. Okay, adorable. How to display these? Bugs me to heck. Yeah, can. I'm getting excited. As if I'm being paid. I always say that. I'm not that opportunistic. Come on, but can be. Okay, this is a keeper for the time being. Until reality dawns on me that I'm unable to get the entire set, that I cannot afford to try at the other sets, then disappointment inevitably sets in. Want to release this cutie to the wild to everyone else. But anyway, there it is, man. I've never offered this before and I've never believed in this. But if anybody wants to have an open bounty on figures, yeah, I'll snag this for you, pay in advance. Yeah, maybe. And yeah, sort this out. DM me. Other than that, chubby flocked hamster. Oh gosh, look at the tiny hands and feet. Flock last, pretty decent flock, and with the fade as well. But anyway, blind box in the age right now of I'm torn to say golden age, because if we're talking about the past 10 years, 20 years maybe, golden age of there were different levels of golden age of blind boxes. There were the Bear Bricks to me when it was launched years ago. I remember years ago when I picked up some loose pieces from Series 1, and I always regretted not buying the entire loose set. When folks bought the whole box to unbox and sell loose pieces. Then there was the Dunny series, which blew up, and I have my own fair of Dunnies. And the most recent in the past few years is the blind box series from Pop Mart, and subsequently brands like Space Drawers, I found out later, where everybody has gone beyond platform toys already, because each sculpt is different. I'm always amazed. Each sculpt is different, even though it's themed. But I'm enjoying this series because it's 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 pieces plus one chase. So you don't have a daunting two digited series to collect. Anyway, this is just me and my immediate reactions. Having said that, this has been, let's go to the filter. This has been my unboxing of the blind box I purchased for myself yesterday at the local store that sells novelties actually in Singapore. I'll put a mention. It's at the Green Party, but at the same time, neither is this a sponsored unboxing. But I thought to share the figures, and I myself am excited to see the figures for myself as well. I'm starved for toys, come on, and And I have been a convert of blind boxes for a long time, long time. But being a convert and affording it is another thing. Anyway, hope you have enjoyed my unboxing. See my hands unboxing. And I will end this video now.